Geez, guys, class was so hard today. Did y'all understand it?
No, not at all. Proportions are so hard. I don't even get the point.
Are you kidding me?
What?
Did you get it?
Yeah.
How?
That stuff was so easy.
What do you mean easy? That was really,
that was
really
hard.
hard.
No. I mean, they're so practical too, using proportions.
How is it practical, Nathan? Please explain, please.
Well, for instance, if you know the length of two shadows, and you know one height, well then you can find the height of the other object too.
How?
Are you kidding? How?
Well, for example, do you know how tall that lamppost is?
This
No,
lamppost?
do you?
No?
Well, we can find out.
Show us.
Okay, well, thankfully I have my tape measure.
Okay.
Of course you do, Nathan. Of course.
Always got to be prepared. So,
Wait, so what are we measuring right now?
Well, first of all, we need to measure the height of the shadow. of
This shadow?
But
Yes.
So that
Just
shadow
trust me.
is proportional to this lamppost?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Here, hold on to this.
I sure will.
Hold it right at the end of that shadow.
Right here?
These are underground.
Yeah. So this shadow appears to be 14 feet 10 inches. I repeat, 14 feet 10 inches.
got it, Nathan.
All right.
Did you get it?
I got it. Shadow of lamppost equals 14 feet 10 inches.
Okay, now what, Nathan?
Well, you see now, this guy right here, this little fire hydrant,
Fire hydrant.
we can simply measure its height.
Yeah.
And according to my calculations, it's approximately 3 feet 1 inch.
3 feet 1 inch.
And likewise, we can measure it, the height or the length of this shadow, which appears to be 2 feet 5 inches.
2 feet 5 inches.
Well,
Did you
that's
get
it.
that, Christina?
Got all of our
Let's
dimensions.
see.
Shadow of lamppost was 14 feet 10 inches. The shadow of the fire hydrant was 2 feet 5 inches. And the height of the fire hydrant was 3 feet 1 inch. So now what?
Well, now you just simply use proportions to calculate the height of the lamppost.
This is
How do
kind of
we-
fun.
How do we do that?
Watch me.
I'm so glad we're finally in a classroom so we can see and work out our calculations.
I know, Nathan, show us.
Well, the first thing we had to do was convert these feet and inch measurements to all inches. So for 14 feet 10 inches, that led to 178 inches. And for 2 feet 5 inches, that led to 29 inches. And for 3 feet 1 inch, that led to 37 inches.
So now what?
Well, now we can set up our proportion. Come over here. So, say you have the shadow of the lamppost as 178 inches.
Okay.
Underneath it, we don't know the height of the lamppost, so I'm going to put a question mark.
That makes sense.
But that ratio is directly proportional to the shadow of the hydrant and the height of the hydrant. So,
Oh.
all you have to do,
I think I get it.
follow this. 29 inches over 37 inches.
This is making so much more sense.
And now, you simply cross multiply and divide. So, as we know, 178 times 37, I believe, carry the one, 6,586.
Oh yeah, I knew that one too.
Of course.
Now, we know that will be equal to 29 times our question mark. 6,586. Now to get the question mark by itself, we simply divide 6,586 by 29. And you have to do that to both sides. can cross these two out, and we're left with question mark equals approximately 227.
227 what?
Well, that will be in inches.
But don't we want it in feet?
Well, if we simply divide this number by 12, that will give us approximately 18.9, which is about 18 feet 11 inches.
Oh.
That makes so much sense, Nathan.
So now
Thank you so much. You're so smart.
We can erase that question mark and write in 18 feet 11 inches. I told you guys that was easy.
Well, now it is.
Now I really like proportions. I want to go measure everything now.
And they're so practical.
They are so practical, Nathan.
Thanks for your help.
Thank you, Nathan.